Everyone thinks the best-selling RC Tools kit is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Jorest Precision Screwdriver Set. Let's kick things off with the Jorest 152-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This colorful toolkit caught my eye for its immense versatility, and at just $26.99, it's priced quite attractively for what it offers. If you want a comprehensive repair solution for everything from your electronics to RC cars, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. With 140 bits, including Torx, Phillips, and more, it covers nearly every type of screw you'll encounter in RC maintenance. The long bits are particularly useful for those deeper screws, making it easier to tackle a variety of repairs. The high-quality CRV steel means these bits are wear-resistant, so they should last you a long time. Plus, with 3,000+ units sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice among buyers. Now, some people complained about the storage box being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with it, it should hold up just fine. Plus, the organized bits really help you find what you need quickly, which is a big win in any toolkit. This is perfect for you if you're into DIY repairs for devices like iPhones or gaming consoles, and you need a reliable set. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact, as it does take up a bit of space. Now, if the storage issue bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach with a more portable design.
Product number 2, Unamela Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. The Unamela Mini Electric Screwdriver Set, priced at $27.99. This tiny powerhouse caught my attention with its electric capabilities. If you want to speed up your repairs without sacrificing precision, this is definitely worth a look. So why is this product a game changer? It features 120 precision bits, making it versatile for just about any electronic repair, including your beloved RC vehicles. The 200 RPM speed ensures you finish tasks quickly, while the 5 torque settings give you control to handle delicate parts without stripping screws. Plus, with a rechargeable battery that lasts, you'll be ready to tackle projects without worrying about running out of juice. And with over 1,000 sold last month, it's gaining traction fast. However, some users mentioned that the torque settings could be too low for certain projects, but honestly, if you're working on delicate electronics, this might actually be an advantage to avoid damage. It's all about what you're using it for. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, easy-to-use tool that fits in your hand comfortably. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty repairs, as it's more suited for precision work. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something more specialized.
Product number 3, Injora Short Handle Hex Screwdriver Kit. The Injora Short Handle Hex Screwdriver Nut Driver Toolkit, priced at $18.99. This kit stood out for its targeted design aimed right at the RC mini crawler community. If you're focused on maintaining those smaller models, this is definitely worth checking. This product is built specifically for 118 and 124 scale models, which is why the 7-piece design is super handy. You won't have to switch out tips constantly, since each screwdriver is dedicated to a specific function. The slip-resistant aluminum handle is also a nice touch, especially when you're working up a sweat on a hot day. Plus, with solid construction from alloy steel, these tools are designed to last, making it a smart buy for dedicated hobbyists. However, some users found the handle to be a bit short for their liking. But I'll be real with you, if you're working on small RC cars, the compact design allows for precision in tight spaces that longer handles just can't provide. This is perfect for you if you own a mini crawler and want a dedicated set that simplifies your repairs. Skip this if you're looking for a broader tool set that works on various projects outside of RC cars. Now, if you're interested in a more comprehensive toolkit, the next product has got you covered.
Product number 4, Traxxas Tool Set with pouch, retailing at $29.95. This kit is known for its quality and organization, which is why I was excited to check it out. If you want a reliable set that keeps everything in one place, this might be your best bet. What really solves your problems here is the variety in this set. It includes multiple screwdrivers, nut drivers, and even a wrench. The hex drivers range from 1.5 millimeters to 4 millimeters, allowing you to handle a wide range of sizes easily. Plus, the carrying case makes it straightforward to transport everything, so you can take your repairs anywhere, which is really great for on-the-go hobbyists. With over 300 units sold last month, many have found it valuable. That said, some users mentioned that the case could be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though,
The organization it provides outweighs the extra space it takes. If you're serious about your RC repairs, having everything laid out can save you a lot of time. This is perfect for you if you want a well-organized toolkit that covers all your basic needs. Skip this if portability is your top priority and you want something that tucks away easily. Now, if you're looking for a complete package with even more tools, the next product is one you won't want to miss.
Product number 5, RC Car Repair Workstand Repair Tool Set, priced at $26.95. This caught my eye because of its comprehensive nature. If you're looking for a full setup to maintain your RC vehicles, this might be just what you need. What makes this kit special is the 360-degree rotation of the workstand. This feature allows you to easily access all angles of your vehicle while working, which is incredibly useful for detailed repairs. The kit also includes 523 screws of various sizes, ensuring you'll have what you need for any project. Plus, the anti-skid design of the screwdriver handle ensures comfortable use, which is often overlooked in budget kits. With more than 200 units sold last month, it's clearly appealing to many enthusiasts. However, some may find the sheer number of screws overwhelming. But honestly, for anyone who frequently repairs RC cars, having that variety means you're always prepared for whatever comes your way. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive toolkit that combines a workstand and a variety of screws. Skip this if you're looking for a minimalistic setup that doesn't require much space.
To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options today. The Jurist set offers a broad range of bits. The Unamela electric screwdriver speeds up your repairs. The Endura kit specializes in mini crawlers. The Traxxas set brings organization. And the RC Car Repair Workstand offers a full maintenance solution. Each has its strengths, so consider your needs carefully. Happy repairing!